It's like when a dog like poops and he like tries to look for his owner to like make eye contact with because it makes him feel safe.
Okay. Interesting.
That's my connection. But it was also us getting a...
Sorry.
That was one of the best burps you've ever done in your life. I'm so proud of you.
And the thing is, because we're such good friends, I think
so too.
Okay.
Yeah. Excuse me. We have to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Too many things to do. Too many people to. Too many people to see.
Why is it when you burp you always look at me and hold eye